All right, everyone, I'm super excited to share what we have planned for the back bedroom on Wally the Airstream. And as you can see in front of me, we have a Dickinson stove. This is propane. This is the Dickinson P9000 stove that we're going to be using in Wally the Airstream back in the bedroom. So it throws out a lot of heat. As many of you know that have experienced sailboats and things like that in the past, Dickinson has been a brand that's been mostly known for their use in different sailboats and fishing boats and things like that. Great high quality stainless steel materials that these are made out of. This one, like I said, is a propane stove, so it'll not only give us heat, but it'll give us some really nice ambiance to have back in the back bedroom. Now, our friends at Dickinson, we've kind of been talking with them a bit to figure out which one to go with. We ended up going with the P9000. They also have a P12000 unit that puts off a little bit more heat than this one, and I'll put some of those details down in the comments below. But we're really excited to get this installed. It has this really great looking ridge cap that goes over the top for the exhaust from this as well, but it's clean burning. They have a wood burning version of this too, but I was afraid of some of the dust ash and things that could come from propane, since we're going to be putting two giant propane tanks on the front of Wally the Airstream when using this and all of our appliances and furnace inside the Airstream. So we're super duper excited. I love sharing all the shiny toys that we get for Wally the Airstream. As soon as we get him polished up, he'll be just as shiny as all this really great new stuff that we have to talk about here. So I'll make sure I put a link down in the comments down below. Great stuff here. They're super awesome to work with. Great people over at Dickinson Marine, and we're really excited to be able to use their products in Wally the Airstream moving forward. So make sure you check out the comments. We'll post more pictures and videos as we start to get all this great stuff installed inside Wally the Airstream, but we couldn't be happier about the way that this looks and how it'll all fit into the aesthetic that we're going for. So thank you for watching. We'll catch up again probably next week with some more video, but this is the Dickinson P9000 propane fireplace that we'll be putting back in the bedroom. Thanks again. Take care.